Okay, so this one is page 326, number 15. And it reads, if A is the point 5, 0, and B is the point 0, 2, find the coordinates of P on the x-axis such that PA, or the length from PA is equal to the length from PB. So as these are actually vectors here. So the magnitude of vector PA equals the magnitude of vector PB. So what I'll do first, I'll just do a little sketch of this so we can visualize. So here is the point B, and then say over here is the point A. So there would have to exist some point P over here such that that length is the same as that length. Now, what we'll do first, if this is the equation that we're trying to discuss, then what we'll do is we'll just create these two vectors first, and then so we're talking about that vector here, that the magnitude of PA is equal to the magnitude of PB. So the vector PA will be equal to 5 minus A, 0, and the vector PB will be equal to A, negative 2. So that means that the magnitude of PA will be equal to root 5 minus A squared plus 0, and the magnitude of PB will be equal to root A squared plus negative 2 squared. So this one over here, I'm just going to leave this one alone, even though it looks like you can cancel out the square root and the squared. Weird things happen when you do that. I'm just going to leave it alone because I know what's coming up. Over here, this is going to be equal to square root A squared plus 4. So now we'll go into our equation here. We only have one unknown, so if I make these two equations equal to each other, then we'll have, or if this is what we're trying to establish, magnitude PA equals magnitude PB, then we'll get square root 5 minus A squared equals square root A squared plus 4. And the reason I left this alone here is I knew this was coming up. Now what I can do is I can square both sides and everything will be fine. I'm going to square both sides and I'll have 5 minus A squared equals A squared plus 4. If I expand this bracket, I get 25 minus 10A plus A squared equals A squared plus 4. Simplifying this, the A squareds are going to cancel, and I'll have 21 equals 10A, or A equals 21 over 10. And that's the answer. Hopefully that helped. Thank you.